And for this day, race number 14, Santa Ana Park. Anytime now, race number 14. Thank you very much for our racing programs. Away they go, promise from the outside, Eagle swings Mr. Saber, Pure Joy also moving up, Ace Platinum, Lance Ferrari, one rushing up, Seeds of Wisdom, and running by the Real Touch of Gold, Safety's Gold, Flying G is running at the tail of the field. Eagle swings via Lankana, Pure Joy on the outside is Seeds of Wisdom, Platinum Lance racing in by the Real Fort, Fifth Ferrari 1-6, Touch of Gold Promise, 7th position. And as they race the last 500, Pure Joy, Eagle swing, Seeds of Wisdom racing on the outside to grab the lead. It's now Seeds of Wisdom on the outside. Eagle swing and Pure Joy in between runners. Platinum Lance on the outside. Touch of Gold. And nearing the finish line. Mama, there goes that horse. Seeds of Wisdom winning this race by about 3 lengths over Platinum Lance, Pure Joy, Eagle Swings, number 1, Touch of Gold, and Promise.